Welcome to Learning Easier. Today we're going to learn how to subtract radical expressions. Radical of a number. The radical of a number is the same thing as the square root of a number. Radical of a number may be square root, cube root, up to the nth root. Example, square root of 243 is equal to the square root of 81 times 3, which is equal to the square root of 81 times the square root of 3, which is equal to 9, square root of 3. You may think how we chose 81 and 3 to simplify the square root of 243. We chose 81 and 3 as it is one of them, which is 81, is a perfect square, and they are both factors of 243. So the answer for that problem is 9 square root of 3. Cube root of 54 is equal to the cube root of 27 times 2, which is equal to 3 cube root of 2. Radical notation. Inside the radical symbol, is the radicand. Outside the radical symbol is the index. The index is the number that determines what root we're doing. So in this radical, we're doing the cube root of 64. The index, the radical symbol, and the radicand all combined or mixed together is the radical. Square root. The square root of a number is the inverse of squaring a number. Example, the square root of x is equal to x to the power of 1/2, parenthesis, square root of y, parenthesis to the power 2 is equal to y. Subtracting radical expressions. 12 square root of 8 minus 5 square root of 8. Since they both have the same index in the radicand, you could just subtract 12 and 5, which is equal to 7. So the answer is 7 square root of 8. 10 square root of 28 minus 6 square root of 7. We can't simplify 6 square root of 7 even further, but we can simplify 10 square root of 28. So we're going to simplify 10 square root of 28. We can simplify 10 square root of 28 into 10 parenthesis square root of 7 times 4, which is equal to 10 parenthesis square root of 7 times the square root of 4, parenthesis, which is equal to 10 times 2 square root of 7, which is equal to 20 square root of 7. 20 minus 6 is 14. So the answer is 14 square root of 7. 15 cube root of 9 minus 4 cube root of 9. You could just subtract 15 and 4 because 15 cube root of 9 and 4 cube root of 9 both have the same radicand and index, so the answer is 11 cube root of 9. 9 cube root of 32 minus 2 cube root of 108. We have to simplify the radicand because we can't subtract 9 cube root of 32 minus 2 cube root of 108 because they both have different radicands. 9 cube root of 32 can be simplified into 9 parenthesis cube root of 8 times 4 parenthesis, which is equal to 9 times 2 cube root of 4, which is equal to 18 cube root of 4. And we can simplify 2 cube root of 108 into 2 cube root of 27 times 4, which is equal to 2 times 3 cube root of 4, which is equal to 6 cube root of 4. 18 cube root of 4 minus 6 cube root of 4 is equal to 12 cube root of 4. Thanks for watching. Like and share this video with your friends and family. Write your comments in the comment box below. Subscribing to the bell button. Follow Learning Easy on Instagram.